I'm going to walk you through exactly how to install these in less than 5 minutes, starting by actually opening the box. It's packaged quite nicely, and the cool thing is it comes with 2 different lights for the driver and passenger side doors. The really nice thing about this brand, if you look at the connectors, it actually has 2 different connectors for older Audis and newer Audis. So no matter what year your car is, this will be a great option. The only thing that this does not come with is a panel popper tool, but if you're in a pinch and you don't have one, don't worry. You can actually just use a flathead screwdriver and put some tape around the flathead not to scratch anything. Now, let's get to the installation. First thing you want to do is open up your door, and I really highly suggest having something to put your knees on. It will greatly help within the install process. So before we get into it, there's one important thing. Since it's kind of on a weird angle, I'm going to show you right here. But this is exactly what the light looks like. So this is the replacement, and it looks almost identical to what we're going to take out of the car. This is already in your door, which I'm going to show you in a second. So what you're going to do, and what's very important, is this little thing right there. When you go to take this out of the initial door, you're going to slide the panel popper in, and you're going to press this, and that way you can pull it out. So let's go ahead and do it right now. Okay, apologies for the weird angle, but here you can see the light that's currently inside the door. And if I just kind of lay this over, you can see it will fit perfectly. And you can even see more right there of what you'll actually need to unhinge for this light right here. So I've actually switched from my original panel popper. I think it's going to be a combination of a hook tool and a screwdriver that will actually be a bit better. If I go ahead and try to get right in there, you can see it just comes out like that. Right here, there's a little clip. You can also see there's a small clip right there that you can just press in with the screwdriver as well, and it'll allow the light to come right out. Okay, now we have the old one, and we're going to switch it with the new one. It's literally as simple as that. I just plug in the new clip right here, and let's see. All I do now is simply put it back in. Okay, once you have the light properly in, it fits very securely, and let's see if we can see anything right here. There you go. You can see the Audi rings right there, and I'm going to come back in just a few minutes once the sun goes down, and we'll take a look. Here's what it looks like at night. As you can see, it's super cool, and it just kind of sets your car apart from the normal light. Hope you enjoy.